Hi everyone, you're welcome to this newly created channel. I am Jackie's Signature and I'm into makeup, guillotine, hairstyling. I make wigs and I make crochet stuffs too, like crochet tops, crochet slippers, cover, and I'm really happy I created this channel because I love sharing my knowledge. Whatever it is I know, I love sharing it to other people. I love sharing so other people can learn, and I also love learning too. If there's anything I don't have any idea, I don't have an idea on, it is always my joy to learn from others. And so I would like you guys to encourage me by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Invite your family and friends too to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I am promising you guys that at all times I'll always try as much as possible to bring you videos that will be of benefit to you, and I won't disappoint you all. Thank you. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this tassel using an empty bigi apple bottle. And so the things you need to make a tassel: you need a knitting yarn, you need an empty bigi apple bottle, and also a razor blade. So let's get started.